Miele Perfect GlassCare, the best possible care for your glassware. Glass is a sensitive material with special needs. Alongside the selected temperature, which should be no more than 55 degrees Celsius, it's above all water hardness that influences cleaning results. Soft water admittedly achieves best cleaning, but may corrode the surface of glasses. Hard water, on the other hand, is gentle on glass, but contains large amounts of magnesium and calcium, which may cause limescale and stains. Only well-balanced water hardness can guarantee perfect results. It's therefore all the more important that a dishwasher is able to adjust water hardness with precision. And that's why Miele developed its patented Perfect GlassCare system. The Perfect GlassCare valve provides an ideal blend of soft and hard water. The Perfect GlassCare valve is closed during the first water intake cycle. Water is passed through the water softener. Here, calcium and magnesium are removed from the water and replaced with sodium, which does not result in stains on glassware. The water softener delivers soft water into the cabinet. To avoid over-softening, the Perfect GlassCare valve now opens and causes part of the water to bypass the softener. This untreated water enters the cabinet at the side and is blended with softened water. This results in water with just the right mineral content in the cabinet. The quantity of untreated water depends on the wash cycle. This precise method for controlling water hardness is patented and unique. Miele Perfect GlassCare, the best possible care for your glassware.